So you guys probably noticed the new intro, and so you guys can rate that how good is the intro. So the intro, I changed the intro because I don't know. I either just chose to change it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna be playing something. So who should we join? Should we join Charles? If you guys don't know Charles is my cameraman from the video that we did the vlog. He's actually my cameraman, so we're gonna do like what game should we play? I hmm. Of course, Ethan is playing on Ninjutsu Shenanigans. So let's play. Let's play Build a Boat. Alright. Alright, I'm just waiting. Alright. So it's still alright, let's go. So we're playing Build a Boat. And we were trying to build a boat. Of course. It's called Build a Boat for a reason. It's called Build a Boat, so I mean yeah, we'll go build a boat and okay. What the heck is this? Okay, so build a boat. I do play this game, so yeah. What the hell? Alright, so what the hell? Okay, so basically we go jetpack. Okay, we go get a jetpack. Get it, please, thank you. I'm gonna build a boat, of course. I'm gonna build a strong boat. Be right back, people. Okay, I'm done, guys. So let's do it now. And yeah, I'm launching my boat now. And what the this ain't working too well. This ain't working too well. Oh no! Oh, somebody close the door. Oh no! Oh what the? I have a jetpack just in case it just eats. For some reason, the jetpack in this game, I actually never used Robux before. I never spent a single money on a game because who does that? Oh my god, yo! I get stuck by my own blocks. Yes, it's taking all of the damage for me. It's taking all of the hits. Who keeps up? Oh my, I keep on opening the door somehow. Oh, we took a bit of damage. Oh no. What the? Please don't take a single damage. Stop. Oh my. Open the door. Close the door, I mean. Oh my gosh. Okay, please. Let's see how long do we survive. Hey! Let me flex. Let me flex, bro. Oh my, Alright, so we are basically, wait, what the? Did I even take a single hit? Okay, never mind. We did. Kind of. I don't know. Bro, it looks the same. I don't think we never got hit. Oh no! It's one big one. Oh no, we might get hit here. We're getting hit here. We're getting back shot. Ah, we got back shot. Oh, close the door. No, close the door. Wait, no. Close the door. Why? No, close. No. Stop. Somebody. Oh my. Close. What? Oh, we we lost the door. Never mind, we didn't lose the door. We're hiding. Oh no, what the heck? What are these? What is this? Okay, so we're hiding. Alright, thunder. Oh hell no, don't struck me down. I don't even have a roof. Oh no. I'm flexing, bro. I'm flexing. Ow. We still have a seat. We have a lot of extra seats. Oh, what the? What kind of bounce party is this? What the fuck are we doing? What are we doing? No. But I lost my arm. Oh my gosh, I'm flipping. Yeah, I lost my arm. Please don't. Oh my gosh. Oh no, we're doing barrels. Oh no. We're doing barrels for some reason. Oh no. Please land straight, please. Please, no. Oh, close the door. Oh my gosh, please don't get hit by anything. What the heck? I'm getting hit by cards. Alright guys. What the heck? Average day. It's an average day. I only have like one door and it's not in position right. Oh hell no, I made it this far? Oh hell no, please. Please calm down. Please, I made it this far. Is there nobody here nobody made it this far? Wow. Surprise, I'm still going. Go faster! Faster! Come on, oh my, the water! Faster! Oh no. Wait, no. Wait, no, don't move right next to the rock. I'm going in the middle, it's way safer because I'm gonna go right to the rock if I was in the back, I would have risked dying. Come on, water, please, thank you. What the heck is this? Chemicals? Oh hell no, not school. Oh no, my boat, excuse me. The damage is insane. Oh no, not pencils. Ow, backshotting me. Stop. I lost all of my doors, like they're gone. Oh hell no! What the fuck? Oh my! Stop getting hit by those. No. I still have one more left. Oh no! Please, everything gets hit by something. Oh no! Please. There's a tornado. Oh no! I might die. There's a tornado and a lightning. Oh my. Stop. Show mercy, please. Oh, I lost my seat. Oh no. Oh no. Yo, my boat. Okay, thankfully I have a jetpack. The jetpack saved me. I'm flying away. Oh hell no. Wait, what the fuck? Yo, is my boat still alive? Oh my. Stop! I almost died, Okay. Why is there lighthouses? No, no, stop. Oh my gosh. Bro, there's nothing? Oh no. What the hell? Why is it so laggy? Fly back up, please. Thank you. Is it just a void? Oh no. Baba, I'm not risking. No, my boat! My boat is officially dead. No, no, stop! Can it stop showing that? Please. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. I lost my boat, but I didn't lose myself. I lost the arm. What is this? Yo, somebody is flying. I think somebody's flying. Oh my gosh, we're finally here. Yo. Finally here. I beat it 2 times now. Time to fall down in the waterfall. In the booty of water. Oh no! Oh wait, I forgot we need to fly it. If my jetpack runs out, I swear. Oh my, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Wee! I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear. Why is this so laggy? Thank you. Okay, time to climb up. We're just climbing up at this point. Who the hell is going? I'm literally... I'm just risking death at this point. Imagine... Oh my... What is that fall? Wee... Oh no, wait. Why did I go so high? Wait, is that the treasure? Yes! I'm going towards it. Please. We did it. We did it. We did it. I did it. Why am I walking like that? Please don't kill me. I actually did it, but I kind of did it. Please game. Please game. I actually kind of did it. Please. It did kill me. Yes. Give me all the gold. Let's go. Give me 1 slime. Give me 1 slime back. Why do they all the time give you 1 slime block? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna finish this video. Okay, never mind. We're getting awards. Alright, so I will finish this video off. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out, folks.